2606 LA Tower, you ready?
Ready to go, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, 12409, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Delray, 24 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 2606. Tower, Delta 2606, we hit a bird on departure. It looks like it might be in our number 2 engine. We need to declare an emergency and return.
Delta 2606, roger, maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, contact SoCal departure 125.2 for vectors back to the airport.
Okay, contact departure 125, was that 125.2 for Delta 2606?
52.
12552, Delta 2606, emergency.
252, Delta 2606.
Sorry about that, 252, Delta 2606, yeah.
Delta 2606, Togo?
Yeah, we're here for Delta 2606 emergency. We're level about 21, going back down to 2000.
Okay, Delta 2606, roger. Understand you just want to return as quickly as possible?
Affirm for Delta 2606.
Okay, 2606, you're cleared back to Los Angeles via radar vectors for now. Are you able to climb? You have to stay at 2.
No, we can climb for Delta 2606.
I'm going to maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, when you're able, say how many people are on board and fuel.
We have 100 souls on board and about 4 hours of fuel, Delta 2606 emergency.
Please maintain 4,000 for me, please, 4,000.
Is that 4,000 for Delta 2606?
Delta 2606, affirmative. Maintain 4,000.
Okay, up to 4,000, Delta 2606 emergency. And do you just want runway heading right now, Delta 2606? We're still on
2606, affirmative, expect vectors for runway 24 right.
Okay, we'll fly runway heading right now and vectors for 24 right, Delta 2606 emergency.
And Delta 2606, I'll have that turn north on for you here shortly, just waiting for us to clear some MVAs.
Okay, thank you, Delta 2606.
JetBlue 388 LA Tower.
JetBlue 388.
And the previous departure had a bird strike upwind. I'm not sure exactly where it happened, but I'd like to get a runway sweep for 5 before we roll you.
Understood, JetBlue 388, thanks.
Delta 2606, turn right, right turn, heading 020.
Right turn 020, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, turn right, heading 050.
Right turn 050, Delta 2606.
2606, turn right, heading 070.
Right turn 070, Delta 20.
Delta 2606, there's traffic out there. It's 1 o'clock and 5 miles southeast, south 5,000. A Cirrus, additional aircraft beyond them, 11 to 12 o'clock, 5 miles southeast, on 3,600 feet, type unknown.
Okay, we'll be searching for traffic, Delta 2606.
Tower, JetBlue 388.
JetBlue 388, go ahead.
Yeah, mark our position right there. Be prior to Echo 10. You got a lot of bird feathers and stuff on the right side of the center line.
JetBlue 388, roger, appreciate the report. We'll pass it along.
Roger.
Delta 2606, are you able to speed 210?
We are able to speed 210, Delta 2606.
Okay, Delta 2606, update on that VFR traffic, 12:30 to 1 o'clock and 3 miles southeastbound, 3,700 feet now. Again, type is unknown.
Okay, copy. Can we climb for Delta 2606?
Delta 2606, affirmative. You can climb and maintain 5,000 for that traffic.
I maintain 5,000, Delta 2606. We have that traffic in sight now, Delta 2606.
Okay, Delta 2606, that's fine. If you're able to maintain 4,000, that's fine. Contact approach on 128.5.
Okay, we'll go back down to 4,000, approach 128.5, Delta 2606. Approach Delta 2606 emergency, we're about 4,300 descending down to 4,000, speed 210 on a heading of 070, vectors back to return.
Delta 2606, okay, roger. State type approach requesting, and how long of a final you need?
We'll probably need about a 15-ish mile final, and then we'd like the vectors for the ILS or visual 24 right. If we can turn in early, we'll let you know, but we just got to get set up for the approach still.
2606, roger. Expect visual approach runway 24 right, reduce speed to 180.
Okay, visual 18 right, reduce speed 180, Delta 2606.
2606, runway 24 right.
Sorry about that, 24 right and reducing speed 180, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, an Embraer above you, 5,000. Report traffic in sight. I'll turn them in front of you since you need a longer final.
Okay, searching for traffic, Delta 2606 emergency.
RF1, be advised, Delta 2606, the emergency aircraft notified tower that it was the number 2 engine that got hit by the bird strike when they were upwind.
Traffic inside Delta 2606 emergency.
2606, maintain visual separation. They'll be turning right base, turn to final.
Okay, maintain visual separation, and they'll be turning final, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, reduce, disregard, turn right heading 160.
Right turn heading 160, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, turn right heading 220, intercept runway 24 right, localizer, advise report in sight.
Alright, airport in sight, right turn heading 220 and intercept the localizer, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, clear visual approach runway 24 right. Delta 2606, turn, your cleared visual approach runway 24 right.
Clear visual 24 right, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, contact LA Tower 127.85. Delta 2606, Tower 2785.
Tower 2785, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, LA Tower, radio check, how do you hear?
Tower Delta 2606, Kobe, visual 24 right.
Delta 2606, LA Tower, wind 2109, runway 24 right, clear to land. Our vehicles are also standing by on frequency and you can communicate directly to them.
Okay, 24 right, clear to land, Delta 2606.
RF1, emergency aircraft next to land.
LA Tower, RF1, copy, emergency aircraft next to land.
Sam 506, proceed onto runway 24 right for runway inspection. Station aircraft, runway inspection in progress, runway 24 right.
Tower Delta 2606, we'll be clearing the runway and we shouldn't need any ARF personnel unless they just want to take a look at, just visually inspect as we go by.
Delta 2606, roger, you can remain this frequency, cross runway 24 left at Whiskey, then turn left onto Echo.
Cross 24 left at Whiskey, turn left onto Echo, we'll stay with you, Delta 2606.